Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Yoga for Office Workers. Let's begin. For this episode, you can do it while you are wearing skirt or heels. Take some tiny spot and the corner of your office. Okay? Now stand up. Open your legs about your hip distance. Interlace your hands behind. And inhale and exhale, tilt your neck to the side. And try to feel the stretch of the side of your neck. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Slowly start cultivating the Ujjayi pranayama, Ujjayi breath. Each inhale, crown reaching opposite side, drop your shoulders. Exhale to release. After 5 deep breaths, inhale, exhale, back to center. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, tilt your neck to the opposite side. Next, to drop your shoulders. Try to feel the stretch and length of the side of your neck. Inhale through the nose. Out through the nose. By doing this Ujjayi pranayama, deep breath, it's gonna help you to release tension in your body and relax your mind. So you do not need a big space to do this quick yoga exercise. You don't have to have yoga mat. You don't have to have sweatpants. And back to center. Okay, now release your hands. Turn your toes to the side, right toes to your right. And left toes slightly 45-degree angle. From here, hands can be on your hips. Inhale, exhale, halfway bend. 5 deep breaths. 2. Try to feel the length of your spine. Tailbone to crown really stretch out in the opposite way to create space in between vertebrae. Drop your shoulders away from ears. And after deep 5 breaths, inhale, exhale, back to center. Okay, now turn to the opposite side. Again, it doesn't have to be long stance. Inhale and exhale. Halfway bend. 2, crown reach, tailbone reach opposite way. Create space in the vertebra and cervical vertebra. And shoulder blades together. Pull your shoulders away from ears. Big inhale. Next exhale, back to center and look straight. Okay, now from here, left hand up and reach to your right. And gaze up to the ceiling. 1. 4 corner of your feet pressing down, ground yourself down. 2, and fingertips reach. 4, pull your shoulders away from ear. Try to maintain the space. 5. Inhale and exhale back to center. Inhale, exhale, reach. Try to ground your feet down. 2, lift up your sternum. 3, shoulders away from ear, keep space. 4, and 5, back to center. Okay, now just relax your arms and swing to the side. Just swing both sides. So release tension of your lower back and release your shoulders. Arms are totally relaxed. Okay. Swing both sides. Okay, very good. Okay, now arms up and open your arms in cactus pose. Okay, shoulder blades together, open your chest, widen collarbone, and now arms together, elbow together, open, chest open, and arms together. Expand here, expand the back, upper back. Ready? Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Open your chest and same time really widen, broaden the shoulder and the upper back. Release shoulder tension. Now about 10 to 15 times, relax your arms. Okay, now from here, let's do eagle eye arms. And from here, lift up your arms. Squeeze your chest toward each other. Really widen, broaden the shoulders and upper back. And after 5 deep breaths, release. Now, opposite arms up, hook on the elbows. And inhale, exhale. Slightly lift up your elbows. Now release your arms. Now keep your leg open about your hip distance. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Slightly bend your knee. And here, hug your elbows. Gently sway your body to the side. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, relax your chin. Now release your arms and each vertebra try to activate and stack one onto the other. Roll up. And roll the shoulder back and down. Good job. This sequence is designed to refresh your mind and body without any yoga outfit and mat in a limited space. You can do it every day. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!